What's up, YouTube? Had to adjust the video on my camera. I don't know why, but I downloaded a video earlier and it's kind of crappy. I had it on 1080p, 60 frames per second, and then so I changed it on 720, 60 frames, and I put it on wide, and hopefully it'll work a little better. I've been having problems with this camera for a while now, and I don't know. Good. Oh boy. It's kind of a nice Camaro over there. Although I like the Dodge Chargers and the Challengers better. A little bit better of a body style, I think. That's personal opinion there. I was taking an evening stroll. Yeah, and also, I don't know if you guys' cameras do this with your GoPros, but it's like after 12 minutes, it like cuts it out. Stay right there, dude. And then goes to another frame. It's weird. And I gotta keep remembering to hold my head up when I'm riding, because where I got the camera positioned, it's right on the chin vent right there. So I had to pick a time to come out here and ride, otherwise I'm not gonna, I ain't getting to, but it has to be during traffic time. It's the stupid hours that I have. I'm gonna come up Sunnyside Road up here. I haven't been up here in a while, so a little different. I don't want to get on the freeway because, damn, it actually don't look that bad down there. Traffic, anyway. I don't understand why this person's got to be riding that close to me back there. It's just, the speed limit's 40 and I'm going 40 miles an hour, and there's a lot of traffic coming this way. It looks like I picked the wrong way to go here. haven't been up here for so long. Looks like a little mini Seattle up here with traffic. Holy shit. I actually wanted to turn over here. Turn into the store up here anyway. Go into the damn store. Well now, fuck. Yep, typical woman. Gotta be riding right on your frickin' asshole. Okay, I'm just gonna come into the store here real quick. Oh my god. Maybe I'll wait till the traffic dies down going that way a little bit. This is all new up here for me. I haven't been up here in a long time. Do a little bit more exploring, I guess, around my own city. It's actually Happy Valley. Oh, good Lord. If any of you guys are have had these issues with your cameras, would you please message me back and let me know how to fix this? I don't know if it's the video quality, the thing that I'm using, the media player, or what it is, but it's just not working right. It doesn't come out as clear as it used to. I don't know if it's my freaking Wi-Fi, my internet, or what it is. This time I download something, it looks like crap. Oh, it's too busy over here. So, anyways, my little piece of video I had to share. Just doing the, checking the 720 and the 60 frames per second on wide, see if it's a little better. Thanks, peeps.